Hi, in this video, we're going to see how to use shortcut keys in Zoom. Now, shortcut keys are a very convenient option of executing actions, and it makes you non-reliant or independent of your mouse. So you do not have to perform that lengthy action with your mouse. You could just use keys to do that. So let's first look at the different shortcut keys Zoom has. And to do that, you just go to settings here at the top right, and in settings just select the second option from the bottom, which is keyboard shortcuts. And now just look at these. uh, Now look at these descriptions and you'd understand the functionality. So for example, if you want to switch to the gallery view in Zoom, you could press Alt plus F2 together. If you want to start or stop the video, you could use Alt plus V. If you want to mute or unmute your audio, you could use Alt plus A. And similarly, if you want to pause or resume screen sharing, you could use Alt plus T. Now all these shortcuts are listed in your whole settings. I do not need to go over all of these. You could just see them for yourself in your own Zoom app. Let's see the practical implementation in Zoom. So I've already started this meeting in here, and let me just go to this meeting. Let me expand this, and now this meeting is on. I just saw the shortcut for starting my video, which is Alt plus V. Now Alt plus V means that you press the Alt and the V key simultaneously. You do not need to press the plus key or any other key for that matter. You just need to press Alt and the V key simultaneously. Now I'll do that. I just press Alt and V together, and here my video is on. Sorry for the background and the lighting. I just press it again to switch it off. Now, for example, I also saw how to mute or unmute myself. So right now I'm unmuted in here. If I want to, sorry, I'm muted in here. So if I want to unmute myself, I would just press Alt plus A, which is listed in my shortcut keys here. Alt plus A, and there you can see I've been unmuted. I could even see the fact that this little green symbol on the mic is showing that yes, I am unmuted. So this is how you use your shortcut keys while you're in a meeting. And similarly, you could just change or amend any of these shortcut keys. Just go through them and you would somehow understand. You'd simply know how to just implement all of these are not complicated, these are very convenient, these are very time saving as well. So do remember some of these shortcut keys. You do not need to memorize all of these, of course, just the ones which are the most common. For example, muting or unmuting yourself, or switching the camera, or stopping the screen sharing. So this is how you would use any sort of shortcut keys during Zoom meetings.